Hi guys, we are dyan at 24th Street.
This is the one, 24th Street, sa Dusit Hotel, Dubai. So, ito yung maganda siya. Masarapan kasi kami. Masarap nung food niya rito, tsaka enjoy kami, kaya bumalik ulit kami. Nagpa-reserve kami rito sa couch. So, yan, ganda.
Can you make it 3 only?
So we booked the one we reserved the table.
Otherwise, cappuccino?
Okay. I need to be awake.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hi guys, so we reserved the
You have
table.
sugar here? With sugar now?
That's no sugar. You want sugar? Yes, okay.
If you have sweetener, it's okay. Thank you.
Oh, you were saying?
Dito na ako.
Hi guys, so we reserved the table for the views, which normally it would only be for people who got the hotel.
Kasi kailangan pa-reserve to yung couch. Yung maganda nga naman ang view. Tingnan mo, ayun o.
Yung moment ka talaga.
Tsaka itong gusto ng misis ko. Oh. Boss, ano masasabi?
Happy is good.
Good happy ha? Ganda ng view. Ako, ito nagustuhan ko rito. So, ito yung aming place.
Hindi na magpaparoon dyan. Oh?
Ayan, Sam. Good. Okay, kuya.
And by the way,
Sa akin, misis. Misis. Ito naman na sa akin.
by the way,
Ano?
here is this and it's just a mix of Sprite and cucumber.
So, ba lemon?
Oh, Sam. Kasama to. Ano yung dito? Ito yung mga coffee. Oo.
And don't forget the dessert.
Oh, sige, oh. Ikutin natin. Sige.
They changed it weekly.
Oh, gusto mo ng fruits? Ayan, fruits. Later. Oh, sige. Aba, ang ganda ng design, no? Oo nga, no? Para siyang swimming pool, no? O, ano naman yung andun? Mamaya na, anak.
Wait. Hey!
Bakit ganun? May seconds. Ano yan? Famous.
Yung place namin. Para siyang isang malaki at magandang cubicle.
Labubo. Kinauso ngayon, labubo to.
Ito pa rin, kumakain pa rin ng sashimi.
Hi guys, so the experience is really good and my feedback is the food is good, the interior is good, and the music is also good.
Pang ilang beses na natin to, anak?
Our second time.
Second time. Okay, so ano sasabihin mo?
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on our TikTok account.
Okay. So, ang binlog natin ngayon, anong place?
24th Street.
24th Street. Okay, saan to?
In
Dusit?
Dusit.
Okay. Okay, see you.
Bye.